Hey everyone, I am Saurabh Bhatt. I was in the preparation for a very long video, but suddenly I got to know about something amazing that I felt to share it with you all. That's why I am shooting this quick video. This video is going to be very beneficial for you in a long run as a computer science student or as a programmer. So do make sure you watch this video till the very end. Recently, Harvard University has launched their CS50P Python programming course, a fully dedicated course for absolute beginner students who wanted to learn Python programming from scratch, from a way beginner manner, from a very easier manner, right from the comfort of their homes. In this particular course, you are able to learn Python programming from very scratch from your home, or if you are present on the campus of Harvard University, then you can attend the live session right from there also. You are able to attend, it's completely free for everybody. In this course, you will be able to learn everything about Python, what is Python programming language and what is the scope of Python programming, how we are going to use it in our future, and every basic concepts of Python that you should learn in Python programming itself. In this Python course, you will be able to learn Boolean expressions, logging, debugging, file read and write operations, implementing logics, creating functions, variables, expressions, conditional formatting, and so many things, loops, and also to work on some real programming problem. Who will be going to teach you in this Python programming course? This course is designed by Professor Malan at Harvard University, who have the experience of past 15 years. They are teaching Python, they are teaching CS50X course at Harvard University from last 15 years. They are really amazing teacher, they are really amazing professor at Harvard University. I have learned CS50 course, I have learned computer science from that particular course only, and trust me guys, this is a very amazing session, amazing course that you ever feel in your life. This course is a week-long course. Every week there will be a particular session for this course. This course is going to be started from April 2022. You will be able to join live actual classes from Harvard University, or from live Zoom call, or from live Facebook or YouTube. Or even if you are not able to join live classes, you are able to watch all the curriculum. You can learn this course from edX website. If you are watching this video after April or after 2022, then do make sure you check all the links I have provided in the description. You are able to get the all courses on their website, on edX, on OpenCourseWare, and you are able to learn Python programming for sure. So make sure you join this course and learn as much as you can in the Python programming. Make sure you join from the live video. I have provided some links of live lectures, starting timing on Zoom, and you can check it from your own country timings. I am living in the India and I have checked all the timing, and I am also trying to join this course live from the Zoom meeting. The vibe is very different from edX website or from Zoom video call, but still you can learn, anybody can learn Python no matter, but vibe will become different in the Zoom call or in the after recorded session. Only first 5,000 students are able to join the Zoom meeting, but you have to make sure that you join this meeting as soon as possible. I have shared the link of every meeting in the description. Do make sure you check them all, and I am going to share with you a Google form link which help you to get the live lecture link in your email box. After the submission of this Google form, you will get all the live lectures links of Zoom meeting in your email box, and you are able to join the actual live classes from all the 5,000 students. And do make sure you turn on your camera while learning. Trust me, vibe is going to be very different from edX or from this Zoom meeting. So make sure you join through Zoom meeting. I will also try to join through Zoom meeting because vibe is very different in learning. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like this particular video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing videos, and share this video with your all friends to help me grow on YouTube in this content creation journey, to support me. And yeah, thank you.